In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Calendar. Connecting these two tools is a great way to keep all your tasks and events in one place, so you don't miss deadlines or double book yourself. I'll walk you through the exact steps slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open ClickUp and head over to the list view that contains the tasks you want to see in your calendar. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and space, then select the specific list. This is important because the integration you're setting up will be tied to the area you're currently viewing. Once you're in your list view, look for the options menu, usually represented by a More button or 3 dots in the top right of the view. Click on that. This opens up additional settings and configuration options that aren't visible by default. From this menu, choose the option labeled Apps. This is where ClickUp keeps its integrations and add-ons. When you click into Apps, you'll see a list of available tools that you can connect to your workspace. Among those options, find and click on Google Calendar. This is the specific integration we're going to set up. When you open it, you'll see a brief description and a button to start the connection. Next, click on the Connect button. As soon as you do that, a pop-up window will appear asking you to choose which Google account you want to use. If you use different Google accounts for work and personal life, choose the one where you want your ClickUp tasks to appear. Select your preferred Google account from the list. If you're not signed in, you may be asked to enter your Google login details first. After selecting the account, Google will show you a permission screen explaining what access ClickUp is requesting, such as viewing and managing your calendars. Click on Continue to grant these permissions. You might see a second confirmation screen summarizing the access again. Go ahead and click Continue once more to finalize the authorization. When everything is approved, you'll be redirected back to ClickUp. You should now see a confirmation message for the Google Calendar integration. To finish up, click on Done. At this point, your ClickUp list is successfully connected to Google Calendar. Your tasks will begin syncing according to the integration settings, helping you manage your schedule more effectively.